Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a Converti-Cap by Outre. It is in the style Bold and Irresistible, and I have her in the color number 1. So here she is. She does come with a half wig as well as a ponytail, so I'm just showing you guys the cap construction. So it has plenty of security, it has combs, and it has a drawstring, and here's the ponytail. This is pretty secure as well because it is a wrap ponytail, so it does have the wrap portion, of course, and then it does come with 3 combs on the inside so that you are able to wrap it. So now I'm gonna go in and start wrapping it. So I just have half of my hair out, and I've put it up into a ponytail, and of course we don't need the rest of my hair because we're going to be putting on a half wig. So I'm just placing the comb directly inside, or directly into my ponytail, excuse me, and then I'm going to begin wrapping. And then for the half wig portion, I'm just going to place the comb into like the back of my hair. And I know I'm getting ahead of myself, but I'm just telling you guys what I'm going to do. So I'm going to place that, and then I'm going to use the drawstrings. So yeah, just placing the comb in and then using the drawstring. Now, you don't have to use the combs if you don't want to, but I find that it will be the most secure way to make sure your wig is not gonna like come flying off your head. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's super easy. I love this texture. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch the rest, and I'll finish out with my closing thoughts at the end, of course. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so as you guys can see, we have a 2-piece here today. Okay, so today we have the Outre Converti-Cap plus wrap and pony. This is the style in Bold and Irresistible, and this one is in the color number 1 because you guys know that's the color of my hair. But anyways, yeah, so first of all, the name is correct. This is Bold and Irresistible. Okay, like look at her, like she has come all the way through. She is perfect for me. Okay, so anywho, let's just go ahead and talk about it. So I did just feature it as like a half up half down because I wanted to use both of the pieces, as well as just like I just wanted this style. So yeah, anyways, this is super cute. I really adore this. I don't know how I missed this release, but yeah, this one is cute. Oh yeah, I love it. The texture of this hair is really nice. Now while it does have like a very kinky texture, as you guys can see, the hair is so soft. Okay, and I just really love that because, you know, especially because it's long, you know, like it can't be rough because I don't want anything rough rubbing up against me, like might start a fire or something, I don't know. But this is very soft hair. I really do love it. I love just this overall texture. Like I said, it is very perfect to match my texture because a girl is struggling. Like I'm Texlax, and I actually like flat iron my hair and then I put it in a ponytail, and because of the heat, like it's still like kind of waved up a little bit, but it's okay because of the fact that it does match the texture. So from now on, I'm convinced like I'm just only supposed to wear like kinky straight or kinky curly ponytails, okay, because that's the only thing I can get, you know, my hair texture to match without like doing any heat damage. Overall, I am in love with this wig. Like this is so beautiful. I kind of gave you guys an idea of what it would be like if you just wore like the ponytail portion. You definitely can do that, or you could even wear the half wig as a ponytail if you would like to. This style is so very versatile. As the Converti-Cap, that was the whole point of it. So yeah, I really do like it. This is just absolute perfection. I'm definitely going to order some more to put in my wig arsenal because I cannot run out of this hairstyle, okay? Do you hear me? Like, this is perfect. Like, this is the perfect hairstyle for me. I love the texture, love the feel of the hair. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience minimal shedding and tangling, which I was really surprised, because usually with fiber units, like, of course, like, you experience tangling, especially when they're longer, but I experienced minimal, and that is amazing. And you don't have to do the adult hairs, but as I tell you guys all the time, I come from the era where the adult hairs are fabulous, okay? So that's why I always like doing them, or for the most part I will. So yeah, but you don't have to do that. I just overall am really here and in love with this hairstyle, okay? So if you see me on the gram feeling myself, just don't even mind me, okay? It's Outre's fault. So if you want to blame anybody, just blame Outre. But yeah, that's pretty much it, divas. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link in the description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Let me know if you have this unit, if you're going to try this unit. Just talk to me. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.